my name is Hans Abdullah. I'm one of the founders of Make Curate. I also vlog and blog about sneakers on YouTube, on Instagram. This is the part that a lot of people don't get to see sebab ni dalam bilik dia sendiri. There's about 400 pasang dalam bilik ni. Agak dia kotak ni semua ada isi. Aku ada masalah holding sikit lah. We have Louis Vuitton punya very first skate shoe. Kasut ni kasih kelas sikit lah untuk aku punya collection kan. Baru ada culture sikit Louis Vuitton kan. Hey, right here one of my favourite sneakers. We have an autograph Big Sean sneaker, one of my favourite rappers. Aku juga adalah seorang fan K-pop. Aku collector K-pop. Group favourite aku dah tak wujud dah. But my favourite group of all times is one group nama After School. Aku juga minat AKB48 and all that Japanese stuff. This is my AKB48 and K-pop mixture. This was the Red Velvet Shrine before collection got too big. This whole rak over here, these are all autographed albums. This is my autograph Red Velvet Be Natural album. In terms of value, ni paling tinggi lah. Sebab album ni is one of those samples that tak patut wujud. Bang! Autograph Blackpink. Sample gang. Oh, there's also a lot of Momo. Shout out Momo if you're watching this. I don't know why you're watching this, but call me. The good people at Showcase realized that my setup was a mess. I agree completely. They wanted to come and save me. This is the mess as it was before. You guys are gonna see how it is later. Let's go. I'm just moving it around so that we can put the tower box better. Kena alihkan. Macam mana dia kencing kat tingkap macam aku tak tahu kucing kau macam mana. These are super rare though. Only 46 pairs in the world. We only fight stars. FNF. Friends and family. Unboxing videos with Hans. Let's go. Kini kita membuka kotak tower box untuk mengubah hidup aku. 3 langkah. Pasang dia sangat senang. Boom. Dia terus datang macam ni. Pintu-pintu dia juga macam ni. Senang akses. Bukan macam pintu hati aku yang susah sangat nak akses. Kau click on. So kau ambil tutup. Kau ambil corner ni. Boom. Nampak? Ini instruction manual Hans Abdullah ya. Klik. Boom. Dah. Settle. Wow. Lajunya. Hebatnya kita. 1 down. 59 to go. Thank you tower box. Kita mempunyai 60 kotak di sini. 60 kotak yang sangat lawa, sangat ajaib, sangat stable. So here it is. This is my setup. All clean, all neat. Thank you so much to Showcase MY. Jika kamu juga nak organize sneaker collection korang boleh mendapatkan tower box di cawangan-cawangan Showcase di Mid Valley Mega Mall, Sunway Pyramid, Queens Bay Mall if you're in Penang. If you are in Johor, you can get it at South Key Mall. Dan juga kalau kamu nak convenient lagi, you can buy it online at showcase.my. Let's go baby.